In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open your Cadillac Escalade key fob to replace the internal battery at home. There are a couple different versions of this device. This one has 5 buttons. There's another one that looks very similar, but it is missing this button. And there are even a couple more that have like extra buttons here on the side. As long as you have this 3-button combo up here with a little triangular button, different versions of this, they're all exactly the same. They're going to take the same battery, and the process to open them up is the same. So just follow along with me here. No matter which version you have, I will get a new battery in your device, I promise you, and it just takes a couple of minutes. So the only thing you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries, and you can get these online. So if you would like to do that, check out the link in the description here on YouTube. That'll take you over to Amazon, where you can get one of these batteries for just a couple of bucks. And the only other thing you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver. So the first step is to look down on the bottom of the device, right along the seam between the two halves in the plastic there. There's a little opening. There's a little slot that we are going to insert our flathead screwdriver into. Just wiggling, and with almost no pressure, this thing will crack right open. Let me show you once more. You find that opening, put the flathead in, and just kind of push and wiggle, and the whole thing will just crack open for you. Now you can set the back piece of plastic to the side for now, and we're just going to push the battery right out of there and then slide it out with our finger. Or you can also get in there with your flathead and push it out from the back. Now this is our CR2032 battery. Go ahead and dispose of your old one, and make sure you're putting your new battery in positive side up. So this one's scratched, it's hard to see, but this has the plus sign and the battery info on there. That is the positive side, and that will be facing up when you slide this back in. You can see my circuit board just popped right out. If yours falls out, don't worry. Can put it back in very easily. So just slide this all the way in, and now just set the circuit board right on top of the rubber component with the battery facing up. And the last thing we need to do is just click the back of the device back on there. Squeeze it all together, and you are good to go. So I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, you can always let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, come check us out here on YouTube. We've got videos for pretty much every device from every maker model. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.